Mist rose over Stonehenge. Stones glowed in twilight. Wind carried ancient whispers. Then, something new was found. Beneath the sacred ground, scientists uncovered deep circles. Hidden pits, vast and perfect, older than the stones themselves. They stretched for miles wide. A pattern carved in earth, aligned with stars above. A forgotten hand designed them. What purpose did they serve? A temple, a map, a warning? Every theory breaks apart. Every answer births more doubt. Tools of bone and fire. Burials marked by silence. A civilization long vanished. But their message still speaks. Stonehenge was never alone. It was part of something. A network across the land, bound by sky and time. History bends at discovery. Truth hides beneath our feet. What else sleeps in soil? Waiting to rewrite everything?